Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Epson L4260 printer driver. So how to download, install and how to connect. So first guys, you have to open any browser and Google search box to type like that. Okay, enter model number and like that. You can see in the results so of epsonco.in and just click on it. Scroll down, extract the printer driver and click to download. Scroll down, I agree, software and click to download. After that you can see in the downloading. And it is completed. Just single click to open, then yes, now then click to OK, again OK. If you want to change the language, agree, click to OK. Now this is driver installing to your system. It will take some time, and on your printer connect a LAN and USB also to your system. So there are two way to install, first network and second USB. So if you connected the via install the Wi-Fi, so if you don't know the IP address, you just click to OK. If you don't know, select this, and if you know, select the enter and IP address which is you using of your printer. Okay, then click to OK, and after that you just click to OK. It will scan your printer IP and it will detect, and after that install. Second, via USB, so connect, you just click to OK, it will detect, and then next to install. So both method, network and USB, you have to restart printer also, your system also which is connected with it. And if you are getting some issues, so please comment me, I will support you.